For a look at developing stories, Jenny Horne, markets correspondent here on Schwab Network, taking a look at some developments when it comes to Adobe. Jenny.
Yeah, Nicole, I think, frankly, not a huge surprise to anyone that has been following this story between Adobe and Figma quite closely, but perhaps now giving that clarity to a lot of investors, clearing up some of the big questions around that acquisition, $20 billion, which was first proposed last September of 2022. But news today that they've mutually agreed to terminate that deal due to some regulatory hurdles. They clearly did not think they were going to be able to win. Now, a lot of that regulatory scrutiny has been from Europe or overseas, particularly the European Commission and the UK Competition and Markets Authority. Now, the CEO and chair of Adobe did say both companies do strongly disagree with the recent regulatory filings, but find it now in their best interest to move forward independently. And the CEO and co-founder of Figma echoed very similar sentiments, saying that they have throughout this entire process seen only reinforcements of the merit of this deal, but that has become increasingly clear that regulators do not see things the same. Now, the companies did sign this termination agreement that resolves all of the outstanding matters from the transaction. The breakup fee is roughly $1 billion that Adobe will then be paying Figma naturally, but I think today's reaction just signaling that sigh of relief that at least we have answers here. Adobe's CEO on the earnings call was very wishy-washy about the whole deal, and I think this now speaks to exactly why they've been a little bit hesitant and a little bit more cautious when speaking on this pretty major acquisition that is no longer obviously going through.
Yeah. All right, Jenny Horne, thank you for that. Appreciate it.